This is the problem, okay? This is the problem with this desk, is this chair. This is the main problem of my life. Can I do this without making a sound on this chair? I need this chair, I need this chair. This is my desk, and let's be real, it has probably seen better days. But today we're giving it the glow up it deserves. Whether you're a student, a creator, you work from home, I feel like having a cozy and functional space is everything. A few years back, I bought a desk for the first time in my life. I've never had a desk, and it's a rising desk, so I splurged a little. But I never really put any time or money into it besides the actual desk. So now that I'm back at school for the first time since the pandemic, I've decided that now is the time to change that. I feel like my motivation type is like very sporadic and fragile, and that I can lose that motivation at any moment. So for me, if my desk is messy, or even just my room in general, my space, or it's like not inviting in any way, it can kill that motivation for me. And that window is so crucial to me getting anything done. So I decided if I do a little decorating and make my desk like exciting and cute and fun and not a cause of stress, then maybe it will actually fuel me getting stuff done. Okay, first things first, we need to clean this sucker. We need to take everything off, start with a blank slate, and give it a good scrub down. The next step in this process for me was kind of going on Pinterest and collecting photos and finding out what about each desk that I liked and taking those parts, and I kind of made like a mood board on Milanote to kind of figure out which things were most important to get and which colors and how I was going to organize it. So I not only made like a collage mood board type of thing to get the vibe and get my shopping list started, but I also sketched it out in my like journal so that I could figure out what I would even have space for and like what size things I needed and how much would realistically fit, because it's one thing to love all these things and buy them all, and it's another for them to actually work in the space. And honestly, it was very important to me that I kind of keep this under a certain budget because, you know, I am a student right now and I am unemployed right now, and I do have some future plans coming up that are going to be a little bit pricey. So I'm trying to keep this under a certain dollar amount, maybe a couple $100s or so. And honestly, even that budget for other people might not be as attainable as it is for me, but maybe it can give you some inspiration or some stuff to add to your Christmas wish list. I don't know. Please make sure to check out my channel if you're new here, and if you're not, please make sure to drop a like or a comment or something and let me know that you're out there. Are you out there? Are you out there? So I'm feeling a little conflicted about the main color scheme I want to do. I really liked a lot of people who had like greens, but I really liked them because they were on wooden desks, and it really pulled together this like earthy component, but my desk is white. So I was thinking primarily about pink and doing like a heavily pink themed thing. But now I'm kind of leaning blue because I have a lot of pink accents, and I think the blue balances it out a little bit better, whereas it's just too much pink. If I were to get like a pink desk mat, which is going to be one of the like primary color components of the whole thing. So I've ordered a lot of stuff, and now I'm just kind of waiting for all the stuff to come in so that we can kind of assemble it and see what it's gonna come out like. I also ordered a surprise that I think will just make my desk feel a little bit more fun and enjoyable, so we will see that later on in the video. But yeah, we're just playing the waiting game now. So some of the stuff might take a while, some of it might be really fast, and I will show you as it trickles in. Oops. I got 2 of the punk fairies. This one's pretty beat up. I got 1, 2, 3 of the Peach Riot loading And they had one measly airbag that's popped. And a big hole in the I really want Poppy or Gigi, Morning Dew and Ice. These little like rock princesses. I want either of the three in like their little flower cutiness. Honestly, the secret is really cute too. I've seen it, so. Okay, I'm so nervous. There's only one that I don't want. Oh, it's a sitting girl. That could be a multitude of options. Ooh, look at it. It's Poppy Acorn. How cute is that? The little acorn. Oh my god. You guys look first. Is she backwards? Yes. Yes, 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 yes. This was like my second choice, I think. Her skirt is like translucent and the sneakers. I think my top pick is Poppy Saint. She's like this little goth girl. I might actually cry if I don't pull that one, so. Who's it gonna be? Poppy Saint, Poppy Saint, Poppy Saint. Who is it? Oh, okay, I really wanted her. Gigi, this is Gigi Cheerleader. I also like that these ones are a bit smaller, so you kind of can choose to live your chibi life if that's more your style. Who is it? Oh, it's the goth one, Gigi Darkness. And there's like protective. I really appreciate that they protect the little chains. Oh my gosh, cute, 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 cute. This means I only have one more chance to get my top pick, which is Poppy Saint. I would also be happy with Poppy Starlight or Poppy Princess. I'm a Poppy girl. Or Poppy Valkyrie or Gigi Fire. If I pull another Gigi, that'll be a bit ridiculous because then I'll have 3 Gigis of this and 4 Gigis total. So I wouldn't even be mad if I just got a Frankie to even it out, but I most of all want a Poppy because I don't have a Poppy and I like all the Poppies. Poppy. Who is it? Poppy! It's Poppy! And she has a necklace too. And that's it. I'm so happy with how everything came together. The desk feels so much more functional and cozy and like I want to actually spend time here. I just had my like final papers and my exams, which were take home. So I quite literally spent 2 weeks sitting here every day. And it just was so much more inviting. I was so much more motivated to work here as opposed to like in my bed or on the couch or something. And it helps me focus a lot. I definitely think that this is not only good for like my mental happiness of seeing it be cute, but it actually does make a difference in my motivation and wanting to be here and focus and work. And I know for a fact that when you have a dedicated space for work, where it's not where you sleep, it's not where you play. When you have a space that is dedicated to being productive and working, I know that subconsciously that helps. I think that's science fact. I didn't want to go overboard, but I think the little changes I made a big difference. A lot of the stuff I had, I basically repurposed or I already had on my desk, but I bought some things that I think really pulled it together and just made it more fun and practical for me. Like I already had my lamp and my mug warmer, which I love both of those. I love my mug warmer because I kind of drink my drink slow. But I love this lamp because you can adjust the warmth levels, but also the brightness levels, and you can set a timer for it to turn off. So like I can make it bright or medium or low or off, and then I can make it like bright white, warmer, warm, super warm, very warm, and it's bright white again. So I really love that, especially as somebody who films videos, where I can kind of choose the type of lighting I want if I'm working at my desk or filming at my desk or something, blah, blah. Additionally, I bought the headphone stand, the standing like charger for my phone. What do you call it? Mag charger, MAGA. The desk riser and the desk mat and the Peach Riot figures. These are my babies. These are my ladies. Wait, what's the audio?
These are my ladies. This is Jill. This is my lady Amy. Little Susie. Brianna. You know why we call her Brianna, right? No. Yeah, it's a long story. Shaniqua. Helga. Miss Kitty. Jeannie. I dream of,
I think the desk mat and the desk riser kind of made the biggest difference aesthetically for me, as well as obviously the Peach Riot figures, but I was gonna get those anyway. But they just like, they fit really well at my desk and I get to look at them every day now, which is like great. But I think the most practical things I added were the headphone stand, because otherwise I was just throwing them anywhere, and the standing phone charger, because I will literally put on like my Forest app, or I'll be like texting people or watching a video or something, and it can charge while I'm doing it. So like I'll usually have like a forest on, oops. So I might be planting like a forest tree or something, and I can watch my timer, and it also kind of keeps me off my phone. I also really like, I got like a case for my laptop. I felt like this was a good occasion because I just got it. It's honestly feeling pretty gay. And then I got like a shell for my Switch that kind of matches, kind of doesn't. And it just makes it a bit more decorative and less like I just threw it there, which I really like. Anyway, if you've been thinking about giving your desk a glow up, this is your sign. It honestly doesn't take much to make a space that works for you. Especially if you acquire stuff over time. But let me know in the comments, what was your favorite thing that I added? What do you like best about my desk? Are you gonna start making over your desk now? What are you gonna do? What's your plan? Do you have any ideas for me? Let me know. I'm open. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. It means the world to me that you do. You can like, you can comment, you can subscribe. I encourage them all, but you don't have to. We're all friends here. Thank you so much. I love you so much. Bye-bye. Hi everybody, my name is Emma. And that's George, and we are so happy to have you here. I feel so dumb. I did not have my microphone plugged in that entire time. I'm gonna have to redo everything. So YouTuber, just forgetting to plug my microphone in.